Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 15th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4-star Sudoku. You are interested in this one? Yes, the 4 stars Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now we will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, it's today war day number 1050. 1050 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, let's get started with the second 4 stars Sudoku number 9907. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Yeah. Usually the 4 stars has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars puzzles. I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let's start with the 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3, 8. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 7. Then 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only place level 3 should be there. 4, 4. 4 missing numbers. No. Yeah. 3. Come on. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. You see another 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Another 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place level the 3 in this row should be there then. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row 3 in the middle row, the only place level the 3 should be there. We have a pair again. In this big square, we have 8 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this first row. No 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 and 8 in the second row. So no 3 and 8 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 3 and 8 in this column. No 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left. For the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this picture? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5, 6, 9. 5, 5, 6, 9. Okay. 1, 9. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 6. We have a 1, 9, and a 6 in the first column, so no 1 and a 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1, 9, and 6 goes in these 3 boxes as a triplet. 1, 9, and 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes down. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square, should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this first column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5, 5. 1, 9, 6. 1, 9, okay. Need a 1 here. Then. 3, need a 7 there, okay. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left 4 is should be there. 5, 5. There's 7 here. Come on. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the 3, we have 8 now in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for 7 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 2 and need a 2 here, need a 2 there, no 1 here. In this big square, we need a. In this big square, we have. Yeah, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1, 4, 7. So the other 2 missing numbers should be the 4 and the 7 in the middle column. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes, 4 goes there. Yeah. Almost made a mistake. 4. You need a 4 here. 4 and a 7. So the other 2 should be the 1 and the 4 here in this big square. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only place level 6 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, in this big square. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row. The 1 and a 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For the number, I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, correct. Here, 2 missing numbers in this row, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2 is missing here. Then 9 and the 5. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Oh wait, 1 number left in this column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, again, a puzzle. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.